Hi everyone, see in this problem here how to find current I0 and voltage V0 in the following circuit, and this is a problem. So when you have the circuit here, 2.5 amperes current was parallel with a 3 ohm resistor and again parallel with a dependent source, that is 0.5 I0. Now how can you find the current I0 and V0? We know that according to KCL the incoming currents is equal to outgoing currents. So at node A we are going to write mathematical equation, so that is by applying KCL. So at node A the incoming currents are 0.5 I0 and 2.5 amperes. The outgoing currents are I0. So incoming is 0.5 I0 plus 2.5 amperes, that is equal to I0. So from this we will get 0.5 I0 equal to 2.5. So from this we will get I0 equal to 5 amperes. Now we want voltage V0 across the resistor 3 ohm resistor. By applying Ohm's law we know that V equal to IR and V here V0 equal to, and the current passing is I0 into resistor 3 ohms. We know that I0 that is 5 amperes, so 5 into 3 nothing but V0 equal to 15 volts. So the current I0 is 5 amperes and voltage is 15 volts. So from the options, option is the correct option, and this is the process simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.